Welcome, today I'm showing how to switch on or off screen touches into a screen recorder in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and choose More Features option, this one. Here go into Super Snap option, and here you find screen recording block, so last option in the list will be screen recording operation feedback. So it's option like switch on or off screen touches. So this position like gray, it's turn off this option, and this like red, it's activate this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.